so long? Can I see what it looks like?
We're gonna go fishing.
Daddy got the wrong. Don't need this one.
Oh, you got two?
A big rock?
Family fishing trips. Trin, just let Daddy đi trước với con.
Hard for you guys.
Yeah.
Why do we see some waves?
Tell us what you do.
Just putting these hooks in.
Look at that.
So replaceable hooks and then tie the knot.
A
So
special way of tying.
yep, but it's just too no, not for fishing. It's different.
I just said some. I get the tiny one.
So Trin, so you sit and wait.
Mommy,
Trin, she's sitting and wait.
taking some.
It's taking so long.
I wish I could just bend out.
If you need that one, you might want to just kind of like throw it, cast it, and then reel it in.
Oh my goodness. Lãng Quảng, get away from her. She gonna hit us. Cousin, don't stand behind Trini, okay? She gonna hit you. See? This is the real. Oh my god. Oh, how cute.
think-
Like it's a real warm, huh?
Mommy, look, I think my worm just get a little fish down and is medium because right there I saw that fish was like
Oh, she càng ngày good ở đây đi. He's working on your cousin. Oh, and she whistled too.
It takes time to prepare your majesty. It takes a long time. Okay, Kristen, you done.
oh my
Trini, don't hit mommy, okay? I'm gonna sit on the rock so I can
want
get
you
the
to
fish.
be over here.
Get some.
shark tail and then
Oh no. So funny. She's so funny.
it looks like
A real fisherman. Oh, okay. Again. Sao nó làm ngay đó? Oh, so funny.
look at the wand. Mommy, guess what?
Yeah.
The fish just look at the wand.
Oh, how cute. Are you gonna reel it in, Kristen?
Punch it out fish.
Oh. Oh, that's a medium sized one. Maybe I don't want to eat that worm. Go. Get it. This is first time Kristen. Ouch, Janae, you xem chút you put your mama in my face. I'm scared of you guys. Oh, that's a good one, Kristen. Is the fish eating it? I think that's too big for a fish here.
Got another one.
Wow, that's far, Daddy. Yeah, you got another one? Wow.
You can look at the bucket to see.
Oh, okay. That's how Junie catch
Wait,
9 or
you
10.
got it with the fishing pole?
No, she got with
Net.
net.
That's easy.
Okay, mommy phải đứng xa xa không? Hỏi you guys gonna... If Kristen catch the first fish, she's really something.
Until my dad got it. I just want to take that one. Why do I never have anything when I just catch it? I just only attract some fish here, not just catch a fish with it.
Oh, Kristen, you're so good.
I see one. In mine? No. In the water. Oh. You see one? I got one. One. See one that I'm gonna just put. It's closed. Now just put it in the water.
Got anything, Daddy?
This pond never got anything.
Daddy, did you got something?
Nope.
Yeah? Yeah?
No.
Nah.
Hmm?
I only attract like fish, not just get fish with my fishing pole.
Yeah, it's hard to get the fish with your fishing pole, Trini. Kristen, you're gonna ruin your fishing pole.
You want to go early tomorrow?
Wanna go home?
I'm just gonna make the. What's the bread? Mommy, what's the bread? Oh,
Right there.
just eat that.
Got one, Trini?
Sometimes they like the stuff that we got, sometimes they don't like that we want. You gotta figure out what they want.
Well, they like bread. Some fish like bread. Cause I see fish that has bread. I've eaten. Bye bye. See you next time. Even subscribe to our channel.